Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D tornado fire like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Helium plugin and also Deep Glow plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it tornado. Then hit OK. Go to effect, helium, and I'll choose volume. OK, and now I'll go to import volume and choose anyone. Double click and see. OK, now we have a null. Press R and I'll go to X rotation, change it to -90 like this. Okay, so now I'll go to layer, new camera, and hit OK. And I'll go to tools, choose track Z to move this fire. Okay, something like this. Then press C to change it to XY. As we can see, we have 3D smoke or fire. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now I'll go to layer again, new light, point, and also make sure that you check cast shadow and hit OK. Press P for position and C. Y position, change it, and also move X position, something like this. And I'll go to X position, I'll change it to -50 and see. Okay, this is very good. Now I'll go to tornado effect, then I'll go to edit and choose anyone. I'll choose this one and apply. Okay, so now I'll go to properties and check material and click here and see. Now we have volume material. Okay, so now I'll go to emission, open emission, and go to density. I'll change it to 600. Again, okay, yeah, density I'll change it to 600, and also emission I'll change it to 500. Okay, and I'll go to emission, generate scale, I'll change it to 230. Also shadow density I'll change it to 200. Okay, shadow darkness 500 or 530. Okay, and game I'll change it to 2.5. And now I'll change this color, something like this. It will be good. And also here, maybe something like this will be good. Yeah, this is very good. So now go to tornado and Control D to copy. Okay, and set normals to screen and make it solo just right now. And okay, so now close volume and I'll go to volume material, emission, and I'll move this black point, something like this. Okay, and I'll go to emission color and I'll change it to fire color. Okay, maybe something like this, or Okay, yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, so now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type deep glow, double click or drag and drop and see. Okay, and see. This is our 3D tornado fire. Okay. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and good